Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a taskbar transparent in Windows 11. So first things first, you have to go to your start menu and then type Microsoft Store, click open. It will take you to your Microsoft Store and then you can search now for this specific application or tool
Lucent TV.
which is this one right here. Okay, you have to click this and all you have to do is tap on get or install. However, if you can't find it or if you can't get or install it using your Microsoft Store, it's okay. You can also go to your web browser or go to any web browser and then search again for Lucent TV. And then after that, you can read this one and tap on continue. Now, once you open this, then basically or automatically, you can see that the taskbar below has been removed. So you can now right click and go to task settings or taskbar settings, and you can just change this to center, left, up, down, everything is up to you. You can also go to task manager and see if this application is enabled. You have to make sure that this one is enabled and you should see the result right away. So basically that's it. Now you can right click, go to taskbar settings, and then you can now change the taskbar location. So here below you can see if you want to set or change this to left, up, down, everything is up to you. But basically that's it. You just have to download this application or tool and you can now change the settings of your taskbar. So that's how you basically make taskbar transparent in Windows 11. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.